Fed up with expensive tools that don't work? Want to start an online business without spending too much? Get the right tools, affordable, easy to use, and built for success. Introducing the Creative Online Business Starter Kit. Everything you need to start and grow your online business. This kit gives you the tools and steps to make passive income, build an audience, and create digital products without the confusion. Here's what's inside. Passive Income eBook Guide, a simple guide to creating steady income. Lead magnet template and ideas, a customizable template and ideas to attract your audience. 70+ digital product ideas ebook, a book with rights to rebrand and use as your own. Upsell template and ideas, a template and ideas for selling more products. Social media ebook, a guide to building an online presence and content that works. Social media graphics, ready-to-use designs for promoting your lead magnet. Sales funnel template and guide, a step-by-step guide to set up your funnel. List of funnel promotion sites, where to share your funnel for more traffic. Pre-made email sequence, customizable emails to nurture leads and boost sales. All resources are editable in Canva and PowerPoint to fit your brand. Starting an online business can be tough, but this kit makes it easy. Save time, skip the guesswork, and start building passive income today. No more searching for tools or paying for expensive courses. Everything is here. Ready to launch your online business? Click below to get your Creative Online Business Starter Kit now.